Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix League of Legends RiotClientServices.exe fail to start. In order to fix Riot Client Services fail to start error in League of Legends, firstly we'll head to the search panel. From here we'll type Riot Client, then click on open. Now we'll wait for the Riot Client to open up. After it opens, head to the profile section from top right hand side and click on the settings button. After that, head to League of Legends. From here, click on the repair button and wait for the program to finish its repairing. After the repair is done, exit the client. Go to the search panel again. Click on League of Legends. Then go to the open file location. From here, right click on the League of Legends shortcut. Then click on open file location again. Now head back to Riot Games from here. Then go to the League of Legends tab. Now scroll down until you find the LeagueClient.exe. Right click on it. Click on properties. Go to the compatibility tab. From here, check run this program in compatibility mode. Disable full screen optimization, as well as run this program as an administrator. After that, hit apply and OK. After that is done, just close the window. Now if that still doesn't solve the issue for you, you'll need to uninstall and reinstall League of Legends. To do that, head to the search panel of Windows. From here type add or remove programs, then click on open. From here, scroll down until you find League of Legends. Here it is. Now click on more option, then click on uninstall. After clicking on install, League of Legends will be successfully uninstalled from your PC. In order for it to reinstall, just head to the search panel, search for Riot Client, then click on the open button. Now from here, head to the League of Legends tab. Then you will find the install button here. Just click on it and select your desired location for it to install on your computer. After that, you can easily get into League of Legends without any issue and enjoy the game further.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.